new development is taking shape in Haughton Court, Lucea, Hanover, and it's called Westbrook Villas. The development will feature luxury residential villas, a commercial center, and plans for a resort in the future. But right now, let's take a look at what is actually happening on the ground. I'm starting this flight along the North Coast Highway, giving you a look at exactly where this development is located. Westbrook Villas is being developed in Haughton Court, just outside Lucea in Hanover. The location is also quite convenient, with Negril approximately 30 minutes away, while Montego Bay is about 35 minutes in the opposite direction. So, you're getting a relatively quiet setting here in Hanover, while still being within reasonable driving distance of two of Jamaica's major tourist destinations. Construction is still in the early stages, but there is already quite a bit happening on the property. Sections of the land have been cleared, and the topsoil has been removed from areas where the internal roads will eventually be built. Those areas are now being filled with marl and compacted as the developers begin establishing a road network of this community. So, while it may look like a lot of earth-moving activity right now, this is really the foundation of what will eventually become the roads and infrastructure of Westbrook Villa. The residential component will consist of contemporary 3-bedroom villas. Each home will have 3 spacious bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, with an open concept living and dining area. The kitchens will feature a modern design with an island, while the primary bedroom will have its own walk-in closet and a bathroom with a double vanity. The homes will also have 2 covered carports, along with private outdoor space including a patio and a garden. Architecturally, the homes will have a contemporary flat roof design, giving the development a modern look. And there is another feature that I think will be particularly interesting to potential homeowners. The villas will be equipped with solar power, making energy efficiency an important part of this development. The plan is to combine the modern design of homes with energy efficient features and landscaped surroundings. Westbrook Villas will not just be a residential community. A commercial center is expected to form part of this development. The plans include a supermarket, a fuel station, a very popular international fast food restaurant, and additional businesses. Let me know in the comment section what restaurant you think would be ideal at this location. We have talked about what is happening on the property right now, but what will Westbrook Villa actually look like when it's finished? The developers have put together a visual representation of what they are planning for the community. Let's take a look.
On the beautiful western coast of Jamaica, a new vision for modern living is taking shape. A development by Regulus Developers Limited. Welcome to Westbrook Villas, where refined living meets modern design. Located in Haughton Court, Lucea, Hanover, Westbrook is being thoughtfully planned as more than a collection of homes. It is a connected community, created around comfort, security, convenience, and the way you want to live. A place to come home to, and a place to build your future. Step inside a contemporary residence designed around everyday life. Open, inviting spaces bring the kitchen, dining, and living areas together, creating a home made for quiet moments and time shared with family and friends. Private living spaces offer comfort, natural light, and room to unwind. Thoughtfully designed bedrooms and bathrooms complete a home where contemporary style meets everyday practicality. And at Westbrook, life extends beyond your front door. Landscaped surroundings and lifestyle amenities create spaces to move, connect, relax, and enjoy the community around you. Westbrook is designed around living well. Convenience is also being planned into the Westbrook experience, whether it's an afternoon by the pool, time with friends, or simply enjoying the outdoors. The Westbrook Commercial Complex will bring everyday services, shopping, and business closer to home, while creating opportunities for retailers, professional services, and businesses seeking commercial space within a growing community. And the vision continues. Coming soon, Westbrook Resort, a future resort destination envisioned around relaxation, lifestyle, and investment. Expanding the possibilities of the Westbrook community. Whether you're searching for your next home, exploring an investment opportunity, or considering commercial space, your journey can begin at Westbrook. Westbrook Villas. Your next chapter begins here. Register your interest today and discover what's coming to Lucea, Hanover. Visit westbrookvillas.com.
So that's the vision. But as you could have seen from the footage we looked at earlier on, Westbrook Villa is still very much at the beginning of its journey. The land is being prepared, the roadways are being established, and there is still quite a bit of work to be done before these homes begin taking shape. I was also told that a model unit is expected to be completed within the next couple of months. That should give prospective buyers a much better opportunity to see exactly what these homes will look like and feel like in person. At this point, pricing has not yet been confirmed, so there are no official prices available for the villas. But as construction progresses and more information becomes available, I'll definitely keep you posted. For now, this is what Westbrook Villa looks like. A large piece of land being transformed into what is planned to become a modern residential and commercial community, 3-bedroom contemporary villas, a commercial center, solar-powered homes, and eventually a resort. It will be interesting to watch this development transform over the next couple of months. It will be interesting to watch this development transform over the coming months, and I'll definitely be keeping an eye on the progress and bringing you another look as construction continues. This is Jamaica Drone Shots. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.